Visit my website printerever.com before going out to buy a printer just right for your need. Top 5 Best Resin 3D Printer. Let's get started with the list. Starting at number 1. Anacubic Photon S. The Photon S by Anacubic is a user's delight, and arguably the best resin printer on the market in our price bracket. The aluminum-based structure is polished off by acrylic, making it both elegant and durable. As far as resin printers are considered, the Photon has been a game-changer, ever since its inception. The idea behind this model was to embrace a more practical approach towards creating quality liquid resin 3D printers. Evidently, they managed to pull it off. An upgraded UV lighting improves the resolution and accuracy of your printouts. Additionally, the dual Z-axis rail stabilizes the bed, so that you don't have to worry about the Z-wobble issue, making it the best choice for large XY objects. Additional features include a touch-screen control panel that offers you an interactive experience, sanded aluminium platform for enhanced adhesion, a double air filtration system for reducing odor divergence around your workplace, and CE-certified power supply. At number 2. Nova 3D Elfin. The Elfin by Nova 3D would genuinely be the Legolas of 3D printers. This out-of-the-box device weighs a mere 16.53 pounds and features a 4.3-inch smart display screen. It has an inbuilt storage capacity of 8 GB, enabling you to attach your model file directly to the printer. The software used is the indigenous Nova Make, which works best for dental and jewelry designing, and a customized light source ensures high precision. The one-of-its-kind resin pour sink design allows you to stream the resin back to the bottle through the sink with filter paper, thus avoiding residue and keeping the recycling process convenient. At number 3. Elego Mars UV. Elego Mars carries with it the distinction of being the best 3D printer that comes with the latest version Chitubox slicing software. While a regular open-source software takes up to 10 minutes to slice a 30 MB file, Chitubox allows you to do the same within a minute. The latest, Elego Chitubox 5.0, is the best software for offline printing. It also enables you to hollow out your model before slicing it, thereby saving on the resin residue. The Elego Mars comes equipped with a 3.5-inch color touchscreen and 40W UV lights, enabling high precision and resolution for a smart and convenient printing experience. Add to it great design and user-friendly interface, and you get at number 4. Hiha SQ1. Another printer on the list embedded with the now legendary Chitubox slicer, Hiha SQ1 uses a 2K HD masking LCD display, precise up to 45 microns to print almost perfect 3D models of your designs. In case of power failures or material accidents, the printer stores ongoing position and print data in order to resume printing automatically upon restoration. Additionally, in case of a mishap, you also have the option of terminating the process midway. The design is led credence to via an all-aluminum plus acrylic body. The use of precise Taiwanese Hiwan dual linear guide rails enables pinpoint accuracy. Both online and offline printing is powered by a nano DLP system herein, allowing you to access a bunch of features that are otherwise non-existent in regular 3D printers. At number 5. Longer Orange 30. The Orange 30 by Longer is a high-precision resin 3D printer, with a built-in 2K LCD screen, 2560x1440 resolution, and 47.25 micrometers pixel size. It ensures the accuracy and stability of the Z-axis by using a reliable linear guide and a unique slide design. Featuring the Matrix UV LED design, this printer provides higher intensity and better uniformity, that too in shorter print time than its contemporaries. With a uniform Matrix UV lighting, bigger print size, more stability and durability, and higher precision and resolution, it is the perfect 3D printer for all uses. It also includes a temperature detection system. Whenever the temperature rises above the recommended limit, this smart system stops printing immediately. Couple that with a highly efficient cooling system, and you get a high lifespan on your printer. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.